Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to fix battery percentage is not accurate in Samsung Galaxy A17, A37 or A57. If you're using Galaxy A17, A37 or A57 and facing the issue that your battery percentage is not accurate, like your phone's battery is not normally decrease or increase, so let's see some possible fixes for this. So the very first thing or the very best thing I recommend you have to drain your battery completely. Use your phone normally you use until it's reached up to 0% and your phone shuts down itself. Once your phone shuts down, you have to turn it on using your charger. Just plug the charger and then turn on your phone. And once your phone turned on, I recommend you have to charge it to full up to 100% without using your phone. I recommend you have to don't use your phone until it's charged up to 100% and the charge is full, charging completed. Then you have to use your phone and you have to check its battery behavior, like it's normally decreasing or increasing. I recommend you have to use only the original Samsung charger adapter and also charging cable to prevent this issue. So it might fix your issue, but if it still not work for you, you can go to dialer, your phone dialer here, just dial the star hash 9900 hash. It will open your system. You just have to scroll down and just look for battery stats reset. Click on it. It might take a few moments, and once you see it's done, just click exit and scroll down. Click on this power icon, click on restart, and then click on reset icon again to have a restart with your phone. And once your phone has been restarted, your issue will be fixed and you will not get this issue again. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.